3 Weather Lab. Here's Daniel's True View forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, a pretty straightforward forecast as we go into the last week of June. Temperatures are in midsummer form. The forecast in midsummer form as well, and I think we all know what that means. Hot and humid here over the next couple of days. So let's start with a look at the satellite and radar picture here across the Gulf Coast. We had a few showers earlier on. That was 1 or 2, but those have since gone to the wayside. Mostly quiet all along the Gulf Coast so far this evening. Even the showers along the sea breeze starting to die down. If you're headed out to the beach at all this week, shouldn't have too many problems. I think the Gulf Coast largely going to look at a very similar forecast here through the remainder of the work week. You do have some showers out over towards the Atlanta region, a storm system pushing towards the Atlantic. That's about it. The rest of the South is actually looking very quiet over the next several days. It's, again, that time of year when the weather just seems to settle down. We know what we're going to get basically day in and day out. The only question is, where do those thunderstorms get going? We usually don't know until we start to see them. Today we saw it just a little bit northwards of Lafayette, North Lafayette Parish, down over towards the Karen Crow area. 1 or 2 down towards Vermilion and Iberia Parish as well over the last several hours. But again, for the most part, quiet. And it's quiet now. Any of the showers that we did see have come to an end. A little bit of cloud cover out over towards the west, but we've seen a lot of sunshine, and we're going to continue to see the sunshine over the next several days. High pressure sitting off towards our east. That means we get those winds from the south. All that moisture in place. That moisture going to continue to build up in the atmosphere. A lot of humidity, really muggy week coming up. And you mix that humidity, you mix it with that heat, and you do start to see those showers, so you don't want to rule them out entirely. I do think it's mostly sunny skies over the next several days, maybe slightly more unsettled Wednesday, but then you're really talking rain chances go from 10% tomorrow up to maybe 20, 30 at best for Wednesday afternoon, and then back down to that 10-20% range for Thursday. Again, not a whole lot of variation in the forecast. Wind's going to be a little more southwesterly by the time we get to Thursday afternoon. 1 or 2 showers possible basically each and every day. The numbers to remember are going to be the heat index are going to be up there. We'll be triple digits once again tomorrow, 100 to 104. This is northwards of I-10 where we're looking at some of the numbers for tomorrow. You're talking low 90s by 10 o'clock in the morning, almost 90 degrees by the time you get to around 9. Mid-90s, so on and so forth, again up to the hottest parts of the day, which is late afternoon, and that's when you start to see the triple digits popping up. Make sure that you're drinking just plenty of water if you are going to be out there, and a lot of sun too. If you have a lot of yard work or you are going to be out in the sun, make sure that you wear the sunblock if you are going to be out there. And again, there's no real way to avoid the heat other than just staying indoors. Not everyone can do that. These are the numbers you're going up against if you do have to be outside tomorrow during the afternoon. Again, hottest parts of the day is going to be after lunchtime, late afternoon, heat index anywhere from 100 to 104. A similar situation down along the coastline. You may get a sea breeze down along the coast. That will help a little bit, but only by a degree or 2. And the heat index down through there is even going to be in the triple digits. So a hot stretch of days coming up. High is going to be sitting in the 90s, about 93 degrees, and no real relief from any of the heat at all over the next several days. In fact, temperatures not varying a whole lot over the next several days. Tomorrow morning, we're waking up in the mid-upper 70s, about 77 degrees in Lafayette, 74 for Ville Platte. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow. Heat index through that time period already going to be sitting in the 80s, upper 70s down through New Iberia. Up to around 93 degrees tomorrow for your evening commute. A couple clouds through the area. Heat index up to about 99 in Lafayette, 89 degrees for the raw temperature. Again, that could change if you catch one of those showers. That can usually help by several degrees and try and cool things off a little bit. Upper 70s again for Wednesday morning. Mostly sunny skies with some clouds building up, maybe a few more thunderstorms popping up later in the day on Wednesday. 76 degrees for your low tonight. Quiet summer night. Warm, humid, still swampy conditions. Thick atmosphere going to be with us through tomorrow. 93 degrees for your high. Winds from the southwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Mostly sunny once again with a 10% chance for a quick shower up to about 30 on Wednesday, 20 by Thursday. That's what we'll see all the way through into the weekend, and likely what we're going to see all the way through into 4th of July, which, believe it or not, is next week. I think the weather looking good for it. Maybe a couple showers, but a little too early to tell.
All right. Thanks, Daniel.